TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials up 35. You get the Nasdaq up 6. S&Ps are up 2. Gold contracts down $3.30 at $1,327 an ounce. We have silver down 2 cents at $19.14 an ounce. Platinum's down $7 at $1,018 an ounce. Light sweet crude up 66 cents, trading at $45.34 a barrel. 10:30 today, folks. We'll get the oil numbers out. Oil has been trading in a range of $1.50 every day. Give it a day, you're up $1.50. Give it a day, you're down $1.50. Notes. The 10-year note is flat, 131.17. 30-year bond is flat, 169.14. Now, both the notes and the bonds, folks, are coming into their downdraft from September 8th. This is going to be a big test out here today, because the bottom line is that bonds came down hard, big volume. You've made it all the way back up to this level. We'll see whether we can get up and over that level. King dollar. King dollar is up 138 ticks, trading at 95.45. King dollar has continued to reject lower price. You have sideways movement. It looks like it's building cause for higher price. Bottom line, King dollar does need that wide price spread and an acceleration of volume. The euro is trading at $1.12, and the yen is at 100.59. We get over and we take a look at the S&P. What you have is this. So the SPY, folks, is testing the bottom of its gap from the gap down on Monday. That number is $215.88. You close under that today, bottom line, you're going to have another failure. And that'll be the second failure, by the way, because when we gap down on the 8th of September, that gap is wide open. This one here, I expect that, number one, we're right into it right now. We'll see whether it can get up and above it. It doesn't get up and above it, guess what? That is saying that the SPY wants to go right back downtown. We go take a look at the Dow Industrials. Same setup with the Dow. The test on the Dow is 18,254. Right now, you're 20 points over that. We're at 18,274. That's the number to keep your eye on, because if we close underneath that, that'll be a major failure once again. Nasdaq Composite and the NDX, they both rejected lower price yesterday. They're in the higher range right now. Bottom line is that, we'll see what type of juice they have. They're testing out here this morning. We're at 53.15. And 53.42 is the high. The low of that high is 53.20. So I expect the Nasdaq Composite is going to test the 53.20. If we go take a look at the NDX 100, you're going to see the same type of setup that is getting set up here. We're up $6.30 right now. The number that you want to keep your eye on is 48.76, and right now we're at 48.72. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold contract is trading down $4.80. Yesterday, you came down with an expansion of volume. We get an expansion of volume today also. We had made a high on Monday, folks, with 127,000 contracts. We come down yesterday with 188,000. We've done 72,000 today. I suspect what gold is doing is trying to make its way down, first off to the swing low of 1305. Larger position, I suspect that we're going to get back to the beginning of where Brexit sent gold topside, which is the 1259 area. Now, notes and bonds. This is so tricky, folks, and this is what it is. So if you take a look at the notes, what we have done is this. We broke down, and when we broke down, you had the wide price spread, you had the volume, all of the above. That breakdown occurred on the 8th of September. The high of the 8th is 131.14. That's what we're testing out here right now. And the market did come into that area yesterday with volume expanding. So today's going to be a big one. It hasn't hit the high of yesterday yet, but I expect we're going to see that, which is the 131.21 area. The 30-year, same type of setup. 30-year, actually, 30-year is actually weaker. It hasn't got into the breakdown area yet, because the top of the breakdown area in the 30-year is 171. So bonds out here today, they're going to talk, walk, and squawk. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking to you right back here tomorrow morning, 10 o'clock.
If you're looking to discover a new financial resource and diversify your financial portfolio, consider the new Market Safe Focus Commodity CD from Everbank. This 5-year U.S. dollar-denominated CD gives you exposure to 6 equally weighted commodities, including gold, silver, copper, nickel, soybeans, and sugar, in one powerful CD. With annual pricing caps of 50% per component, you could earn up to a 50% upside payment at maturity if the commodities increase in value across annual pricing dates. And should the opposite occur, your principal is 100% protected. Keep in mind, returns are based on CD performance. There is no annual percentage yield or periodic rate of interest on this index CD. Don't miss out. Take advantage of this financial resource designed to grow with the times. The October 13th funding deadline will be here before you know it. So hurry over to everbank.com/TFNN for the CD's term sheet and other important product details and disclosures. Once again, that's everbank.com/TFNN. This advertisement is sponsored content. Everbank is a member FDIC.